If you love the great outdoors, this may be the place for you. Welcome to the stunning master plan community of Eagle Springs, located just northeast of Houston in the popular Atascocita. Surrounded by beautiful wooded areas, lakes, and parks, this neighborhood offers endless amenities in a serene natural setting. Complete with pools, tennis courts, soccer fields, baseball, and there's even a park right across the street from our latest listing.
It's the time of the season when love runs high. In this time, give it to me easy and let me try with pleasured hands to take you in this time to promised lands, to show you everyone. It's the time of the season for love. What's your name?
If you would like more information on this home, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be one of the first to be notified of all of our latest listings.
As you take us anytime.